The reason we have a machine shop on site at the moment, at present, which is predominantly for smaller machining items. So during the process of tendering for packages of work with potential clients and actually manufacturing packages of work for our current clients, there more often than not is a need for machining. And some of the fabrications that we manufacture, as I said, up to 200 tonnes in weight, some of the items that require machining can be very, very big. So because we didn't have that capability in-house, we were having to more often than not subcontract these elements out into the supply chain.
We're here at Ward High Tech and I'm about to tell you about a triple whammy deal that they're doing, but all amalgamated together. So you've got CBILS, where the government are subsidising the interest rates. On top of that, Ward High Tech have got a finance deal that they're doing where you buy now but pay nothing until December 2021. And on top of that, they are doing double-digit discounts if you're buying before the end of February 2021. So you've got to be quick. On February the 18th, MTD are doing their first ever additive manufacturing show live here at ETG's headquarters in Wellesbourne. And we're talking about the 3D systems. Gareth, what is it that people are going to learn when they're watching this show?
So here at ETG, we're going to be presenting our latest technology from 3D Systems. It's called Figure 4. And anybody that's interested in prototyping, batch production or serial production, I think will be really interested in what we can show them.
This kind of sits in the middle, doesn't it? You probably can't pull the bar through the length of the 3-metre bar feed, but this is brilliant for shorter bars and bar ends, and for people that haven't got the room for a bar feeder.
Yes, it depends on the size of your machine. You can put the bar same length as your machine, and so you don't need to have a bar feeder on the outside taking all up the space.
Thame Workholding are renowned for specialist fixturing and workholding solutions. Today we're going to be discussing the 0 point fixtures that you supply. Can you firstly tell our audience how they help the end user?
Well, they're very quick to use. You put them on the table and then you've got a 0 point. You put your vices on and off with the use of one bolt, so it's a very quick system.
And what benefits does the end user get from saving that setup time?
They can machine more parts, less setup time, and more productivity.
And what about the repeatability? How repeatable are they?
It repeats within 20 microns.
And what kind of pull studs do you use, and what's the pitch of the pull studs?
We have two types of pull stud. They're the same type of pull stud, but one is 16mm at 52 centres, and then we have a 20mm pull stud at 96 centres.
Yes, so my name's Joe. My company is Rigor Precision Engineers Limited. We're based in Newmarket. It's just a small outfit. It's just me at the moment. Specialise in low volume, high precision CNC mill components mainly.
We've travelled to XYZ Machine Tools in Tiverton today, and the first thing that Paul literally pulled me over to see is the XYZ ROBOTEND. I know you're really excited about this, aren't you, Paul?
So two things. If you're in the market for a lathe, but you don't have much space, then how about this Victor P20, which is available from stock here at GM CNC in Oldham. Now this really is a very compact, small machine.
It is making engineering easier, I would say, but you still need to have those skills.
It's easier for machining wise because you've got the controls on the machines that are either conversational or you've got, as you say, your CAD CAM, but you still need to know the fundamentals of how to start a job, how to go about it, how to pick up a block of metal or plastic and just have a look at it and look at the drawing and decide which way you're going to do it, because if you start it wrong you can end up either scrapping the job or making it so difficult that it's not cost effective.
What's your plan to draw a crowd this year? Well, we all know that in the short term, it may be hard to welcome dozens of budding engineering enthusiasts to your facility to show off a new technology or even two. So we've got an alternative. Host an MTD live event safely and easily from your HQ. In 2020, we delivered a dozen live shows. Each one saw thousands of viewers engaging with the products and information on display. And we had some real successes at ETG, DMG Mori, Star GB, Citizen, Seco and QuickGrind, to name just a few. You'll see just how many people chose to participate in what can only be described as the way forward in our industry. Some of the comments from the clients included the best marketing that we've ever done. The best way to generate new users is an MTD live event. We sold 2 machines thanks to the show, and the return on investment is clear immediately after the stream finished. So why not challenge the team and myself to host a dedicated live stream from your factory, showroom, or even offices? We know this will work for you and understand that even in difficult times, you still need to maximize exposure to maintain the growth of your business. Now, with pending live events in the coming weeks for DMG Mori, ETG, CG Tech and FANUC, it's clear to see 2021 is going to be the prime time for a live show. So why not contact us via inquiries@mtdcnc.com.